Hi, I'm JB.
And I'm Ella,
At ito ang Kwentong Call Room.
Hi, Beth!
Hi, Beth!
Good morning!
Good morning! Oo nga no, umaga yung recording natin today.
Well, nangyari naman na to before. Grabe ka naman.
Oo,
Dati,
nangyari
nung
na.
may tayo, international guest,
Oo.
Yes.
Kasi nag-adjust tayo sa time zone ng US at UK.
nang sabay.
Nang sabay.
Oo.
So ako yung nalugi.
Bakit
As a
ikaw?
not so morning person.
Uy, so, grabe ka naman.
Sabi ko nga, ang mga nakakapagpagising lang sa akin ng maaga
Field trip.
ay field trip. At
Flight.
Flight.
Oh.
pangatlo na yung recording.
Bakit pa nga to? Dapat one.
Ay, hindi. Pangatlo lang talaga yan. Kung kayang ma-adjust, ina-adjust
Ang
natin.
OA mo ha, hindi naman sobrang aga ngayon.
So speaking of mga bagay na
Nakakainis.
naiinis ka,
Oo.
ano yung pet peeve mo in
Ako,
general?
yung nagka-cut sa pila talaga.
Oo, no.
Oo, naiinis talaga ako doon. As in, parang, excuse me,
'Di ba?
nakita mo nandito ako, di ba? Hindi ba ako kita? Parang gano'n.
Pwede.
Ay,
Kasi
baka.
maliit. Sure.
Hindi ka nakakatuwa. Ikaw, ano mga pet peeve mo?
Ako yung mabagal. In a
Uy.
lot of aspects.
Mabagal din ako.
Mabagal yung alam mo yung naglalakad ka, tapos ang bagal-bagal nila sa harapan mo, tapos ang dami nilang mga nagkukwentuhan pa sila. Tapos alam mo yung for example sa fast food, alam mo yung nagkukwentuhan habang nakapila, tapos nung nasa harap na ng cashier, tsaka pa sila magde-decide.
Parang dami mong experience.
Hindi, ang dami ko lang talaga, as a taong bayan, ang dami kong na-experience na kabagalan in life.
Taong
So
bayan.
parang, ako kasi dapat, mabilis tayo guys. Guys, we don't have the time in the
So,
world.
yan yung pet peeve mo. Pero weird ng pet peeve as a word, no? Kasi, hindi, kasi pet is cute, tas peeve is not. Hindi ba? Are you not weirded out by the term? So,
feeling ko ni-research mo na.
sinearch ko na.
So,
Bakit
anong
siya pet
origins?
peeve?
Bakit pet
Ang
peeve?
peeve daw ay anything annoying.
Oh.
Pero pet peeve, yun yung parang inaalagaan mo kasi yung annoyance na yun. You like to, ano ba? Hindi ko alam yung, hindi gusto mo siya.
Gusto mong i-nurture yung pagiging,
Oo.
so parang, pinapanindigan mo
Oo,
yung pagiging
tapos
annoyed mo.
Parang papatulan mo lagi. Parang ganyan. Kaya siya pet peeve.
Kung may advocacy mga Miss Universe tayo, meron tayong pet peeve. Ganun ba yun?
Oo, Labrador. Ganun.
Okay.
O sige. Okay, so, pero syempre sa mga doktor may ganyan din.
Oo nga, no.
May ganun ka ba?
Pagkwentuhan natin kaya, kung tayo.
Ay,
Kung tayo lang.
Kung tayo
lang. Pero hindi kasi pwede.
Hindi, kasi syempre may bias tayo because
Oo.
doktor tayo. Syempre defensive.
Hindi mo rin sure.
Uy, grabe ko. Uy, pero may mga hate nga akong mga iba.
Totoo,
Di
no,
ba?
totoo.
Oo,
Pero hindi
like-
pang podcast yung topic
Oo,
na hate
baka
natin. Baka ma-cancel tayo.
Yes. Pero dahil nga dyan, may in-invite tayong guest.
Yes.
Oh, pak.
Kung yung dati nating guest ay sila Direct Tonet at Direct JP ay sobrang fan ako ng podcast nila. Ito naman ay For You.
Teka lang, wag mo pa halata.
Ay, sorry. So ano to? Ano? Sige,
Hindi,
go.
sige.
Oh.
Let's para may intro, how do we know them? Okay. So,
Mauna na ako kasi maikli lang naman
Oh,
yung
sige,
akin
ano
eh.
sa'yo?
Oo. In-introduce nila sila sa akin. Ikaw yung nagbanggit
Thank you,
sa kanila about them. Tapos
Okay.
nakita natin sila in one of
Okay.
the podcast events.
Okay.
Ayun, yun yung knowledge, yun yung first encounter ko sa kanila.
Okay.
Ikaw, timer starts na.
Oh, grabe ka. Ako, I met them. I started listening to them in 2018. Boards review yon. Oo.
Wow.
Yes. Kasi parang, syempre, gusto natin mag-procrastinate habang nag-aaral. So, yun yung mga pinapakinggan ko. Tapos, feeling ko peak pakikinig ko talaga ay nung 2022 elections. Kasi, favorite era ko. yun yung. Pero, syempre, hanggang ngayon, they still continue to live rent-free in my mind, ganyan. So, syempre, dahil makapal mukha natin, in-invite natin sila.
True.
Yes. So, tawagin na natin, Besh. Ikaw na magtawag.
Bago mo tawagin, pakilala mo lang briefly yung podcast.
Hindi. Pagdating
tatawagin na natin
Oo,
sila. O, sige,
tawagin
tawagin mo na.
Hello!
Hi.
guys.
Hello. Doc JB, Doc Ella. Hello.
Hello! Welcome! So, it's none other than Jim and Sab from Wake Up with Jim and Sab.
Hi.
Hello!
Hi.
Hello! Hi, Pod Mom and Pod
I
Dad.
had to mute myself kasi sobrang nagre-react ako sa inyo. As you were doing your intro, oh my gosh, like I was talking about sobrang relatable yung nag-chikahan tapos hindi ready pag sila yung
Diba?
time to order. Nakakainis talaga yun. And then, grabe, I'm so happy na kamute ako kasi nag-lol ako when you were, Ella, you were so cute about the whole pag-pet cute. It's so adorable.
Diba?
I love it. It's so true though. Okay. So thank you for having us this morning. Good morning.
Yes, good morning.
Thank you
Yes.
for doing this in the morning. I know you guys usually record your podcast at night. Thank you
Ako
so
lang
much.
naman
for
yan, pero si
coming.
Ella kasi morning person siya eh.
Hindi naman.
Very-
Okay lang. Okay lang. And it's refreshing to be in the
Oo.
morning. So, again, welcome to Kwentong Call Room. This is our podcast where we aim to demystify and humanize medicine. So, perfect na perfect ito for new listeners because we get to show a side of medicine na hindi masyadong pinag-uusapan. And
Totoo.
today in particular, ang gusto naming pag-usapan, and we want to hear from you, ano yung mga pet peeves nyo sa mga
Oo, bash
doktor.
natin yung mga yan.
Oo, oo, hindi kami necessarily defenders.
Hindi kami doctor today.
Parang baka maki-join lang din kami. Yeah, because I know I'm sure you've had your fair share of interactions with doctors.
True.
Oh, absolutely. I mean, yeah.
Yeah, actually I'd like to start by saying I come from a family of doctors. Na parang if hindi ka doktor, they give you yung a face pag reunion na parang
The stink eye.
ano bang ginagawa mo sa buhay mo?
Ay.
Ganon. Parang bakit hindi ka doktor? Ganon. So it's either doctor, nurses, and
Because parang almost all of your cousins are
yeah,
really
we come
successful
from a big
doctors.
family, so puro doctor, puro nurse. So I would like to say na marami akong both
Feelings.
sides. Marami akong feelings na both pet peeves but also always kasi kumbaga itong conversation na to I've had with my cousins a lot of times na kasi like I always ask like bakit ba laging late? Hindi ko gets.
Bakit
Parang
naging late?
Hindi ko gets. Bakit ba parang bakit ino-open yung clinic at 11 pero darating ng 1? You know,
Yeah.
so but
Tapos ayaw by appointment. Yung iba.
bawal yung by appointment but
Gets ko rin naman yun.
gets ko. But that's siguro so ako I would like to preface ko lang with marami akong pet peeve pero masasabi kong understandable. Ikaw, Sab?
And grabe rin yung
Oh.
appreciation that we have.
Aww.
Yes.
Because, hashtag not all.
Hashtag not all.
doctors.
Sana all. Pero we've had kasi the most like the worst of the worst.
We've had
talaga.
wild experiences.
We've had the worst of the worst experiences. But we've had the best of the best. Shout out kay Doc Gap Legaspi.
Yeah. I'm sure you guys,
You guys
know.
know-
Yes.
Sorry.
Medical director namin. Hello.
Are we allowed to name names?
Of course, of
Sa mga
course.
good
Name us
ka lang.
many names.
PGH pala kayo.
Yes. Oo.
Yes.
Wow, bang.
Mga
Galing
ano
ng
ba? Mga kawani ng
Yeah.
gobyerno. But
Yeah,
sige,
Okay, go ahead.
before we go into the meat kasi mukhang maraming feelings. Ako din, marami akong feelings.
Wow.
So, hindi, pero meron lang kaming a short stint that we didn't necessarily orient you with.
Okay.
A short segment we have on the pod for all our guests. So, konting rapid rounds yung tawag namin, but it's really just fast talk, but we call it rapid round. So, for this,
So, pinirate nyo yung kay, Boy Abunda.
Yes.
I was gonna say Dr. Boy Abunda.
pwede naman.
Doctor na lang. Ay, PhD siya
Ano naman
anyway. PhD siya, alam ko.
Talaga?
Oo.
Okay.
Well, now you know.
Learning. So for this segment, yung first part, we will throw questions alternately. So ako muna will ask Sab and JB will ask Jim. And then for the next set, ang mga questions lang ay short answers, yes or no. And then for the latter part, sabay na kayong sasagot. Ang sasagot nyo lang ay Jim or Sab.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, gets.
Speaking of, wait, sorry, may insert lang ako. I
Ano,
can't, hindi ko kaya pigilin yung sarili ko. JB, Jim Bacaro, Ella, Isabella.
Galing! This was meant to
Ay,
be.
oo nga.
It's written in the stars.
Oo nga, no.
Ang galing!
Okay, anyway, let's go.
I love it. Thank you for
Ganda.
pointing that out.
Kasama sa caption yun.
Sige. Are you ready?
Yes.
Sige. So, JB
Jim.
will start asking Jim.
Okay.
Ready, set, go.
Jim, favorite thing about your partner?
Her laugh.
Oh.
Aww. Sab, in another life, ako ay blank.
Dog. Wali.
Jim, bumabangon ako para sa blank.
Sa mga anak ko.
Ay,
Aww.
hindi naman masagot mo.
Sab, true love or thriving career?
True love.
Your comfort food?
Pizza.
For Sab, mukhang mabango o mukhang mabait?
Mukhang mabango.
Malayo na o malayo pa?
Malayo pa.
Magkakape o magkakapera?
Magkakapera.
If you would be a Disney villain, sino ka?
Hmm. Shit. Si Hades.
Ay, good choice, good
He's
choice.
pretty cool.
Yeah. Favorite vacation spot?
Japan.
Anong oras ka nagigising?
7 on a good day.
Last, mahal ko siya kahit blank.
Kahit di siya nagsasara ng toothpaste cut.
Oo.
Ay, wow!
Sorry.
May feelings.
Baka kasi may kung ano-ano. O si Ella
Okay.
na lang yung next questions.
Ito naman.
Ang answer ay Jim, Sab, or both.
Tapos sabay kayo sasagot. Ay,
Ay.
bahal.
Mag 1, 2, 3 ka ba? Or
Hindi.
Diretso.
Okay, sagot lang. Mabilis lang.
Okay. Go.
1, 2, ay ako nag 1, 2, 3 pa rin. O sige. Okay. Unang nagsasorry.
Jim.
Magaling magluto.
Jim.
Mas understanding.
Jim.
Sab.
Oh.
Oh.
Actually, yeah. Yes, Sam.
Unang nag-I love you.
Jim.
Uy,
Uy.
parang may dalawang
Uy.
version.
Nagpaplano ng trips.
Sab.
Sab.
Mas iyakin.
Sab.
Unang nakakatulog.
Jim.
Jim.
Ay. Sab
Love
pala.
it.
Sab.
Better driver.
Jim.
Sino ang good cop?
Jim. Oh, wait lang. Sa kids si Jim. Sa lahat ng ibang tao ako.
True.
Fair qualification. Nagagalit kapag gutom.
Sab.
Yeah, Sab.
Matagal sa banyo.
Jim.
Sab.
Ay.
I love it. Pag-uusapan to, mama. Mas matipid.
Jim.
Okay. Last question.
Ano pa galit?
Last question. How is it to be a pod parent in one word? Tig-isa na lang.
Jim.
Ang galing. Ang
How
galing.
is it to be a pod parent in one word?
Honorable.
Aw.
Hindi siya one word, 3 words, lol.
Ay, oo nga. Ang galing. Ayan. Thank you for making Patol our short segment. Paano
Yeah,
lang natin
saya.
yan? Pang icebreaker lang namin for the topic. Kasi,
Kopyahin namin yan.
go. Kasi ngayon mag-ano na tayo. Mangbabash na tayo. So, let's
go.
start off from what Jim started with, no?
Oo, yung nalilate.
Oo. Actually,
Oh.
marami talagang nagagalit sa mga late na doktor. And naging ano na nga namin yan, naging episode na for a time kasi sobrang lala naman talaga nung nalilate. Yun nga, 11 yung clinic, pero as in, not even 11 siya nag-start, tapos late ka lang natignan. As in, late siya darating, di ba? Parang sobrang tagal. So, well, ang
Kasi
ginawa,
because nag-rounds kayo, ganun ba?
Yeah, parang kasi
Yeah.
kaya may cases na nagigets ko na parang I heard nga na let's say syempre yung patient niya nagiging toxic, right? Like toxic yung patient, like dealing with, and then tatakbo ka from PGH papuntang St. Luke's
Yeah.
or Makati, whatever.
Because doctors usually have more than one place
Oh,
na
parang-
clinic.
Yes.
Required ba yun?
Hindi naman.
Pero usually, kapag you're starting, you don't want to say no to the clinics. You want to apply as many as you can until you establish na parang, okay, this is the sweet spot number for me. Na ideally, sana parang, okay, sweet spot na hindi na ako malilate, di na ako ngarag, makakakain ako ng lunch in between.
Kayod.
Pero kapag
Kayod
starting, yes, kayod. Pag
Yeah.
starting, ganun talaga.
Kasi it doesn't start naman na marami kang patients.
Yes.
But I still
Oo.
agree din na parang umaabot na kasi sa point na sobrang dami. Tapos parang nagkagulo-gulo na yung sked kasi meron ka ring when you say rounds, nagtitingin kami ng patients na admitted. And then usually, nauna yun bago mag-clinic. So, minsan natatagalan yun or traffic and all. Pero, sobrang nagigets din naman namin kasi ayaw din namin naghihintay. Tapos, ano na rin naman siya, unreasonable na ang tagal mong maghihintay kahit na dumating ka on time and nagpa-appointment ka naman. Hindi ko nga alam na may mga bawal pa, may mga ayaw pala magpa-appointment.
Yung mga no walk-ins, no? Parang ganun ata.
Baliktad, ayaw magpa-appointment.
Ay, sorry, no. Bakit ba ayaw
Oo nga.
magpa-appointment?
Tinatanong namin sa inyo, bakit kami tinatanong nyo?
Bakit ayaw magpa-appointment? Bakit ayaw magpa-appointment?
Hindi ko alam, dapat baguhin niya
Gusto
yan.
niya ng uncertainty in life. Hindi ko alam baka ayaw na appointment.
Kasi
Parang gusto niya
syempre,
pumasok tapos wala palang pupunta para magsayang lang siya ng oras. Ganun.
ako mas gusto ko yung may appointment. Tas ang maganda sa ibang clinic schedulers ngayon, there are apps to do that. Like you can you can determine
Yes.
the actual time, not just kung kailan magsa-start yung clinic. Because let's be real, you can't see 20 patients in an hour. Parang
Yeah.
unreal naman. So, I guess that helps, but parang ang ano naman namin, ang tingin talaga namin, hangga't maaari, respetuhin yung time ng mga darating.
Yes.
Unfair
Shouldn't be
talaga.
the fix though is to parang say maximum of 5 appointments kasi parang it's unfair na book kayo ng book bubook kayo ng 20 na tao.
Mm.
Alam mo naman the doctor is gonna be there just for like 2 hours.
Mm.
'Di ba? Or
Actually,
at least go ahead.
some doctors actually do that. And I guess it helps kapag ikaw personally as a doctor, alam mo na yung pace mo. Kunwari ako, alam kong in an hour, I can only see 2 to 3 patients. Kasi parang hindi ko na kaya faster than that. Kasi parang nag-wrap na ako pag pag may kausap na akong ganyan. Na parang, ano naramdaman mo, ganyan-ganyan. Na parang ayoko rin namang ganun yung konsulta.
Yeah.
So,
Yes. May
I guess-
timer no?
oo,
Okay,
na
go.
parang stop na, tapos na. Actually, may ano siya, may studies talaga siya na doctors tend to interrupt patients in about 11 to 17 seconds, ganyan. So, imagine, hindi mo pa nasasabi yung kailangan mo sabihin, ma-interrupt ka na kasi nga nagmamadali, which,
Can we
yes, go.
now that you're saying about, now you're talking about that, I think, can I just, one of my biggest pet peeves?
Go.
So yung late kasi medyo nagigets ko na, it's a known fact. Pero I think yung one big pet peeve for me is
Nakabahan ako.
a doctor that na hindi marunong makinig. Na parang well, number one, physically you can see the person like not focused.
Yeah.
Yung traumatic experience ko nga yung one time na nag-usap akong doctor, pinadala ako doon, nag-iPad,
Candy Crush.
nagka-Candy Crush.
Oh!
Habang nagko-consult ako, tapos ako like,
Sure ka Candy Crush yun?
Candy Crush nakita ko eh.
Loka.
Ganun siya oh. Tapos mukha siya talaga, like, parang he would have been perfect for radiology or something kasi mukha siyang magaling sa Candy Crush. Like, maganon siya eh, mapindot, magaling. Pero he could not look me in the eye. So I think yun.
Oh my gosh.
I was
Report
wondering
natin
rin
yan.
why it's not a norm kung ano yung talking about yung sa lateness rin.
Mm.
Bakit hindi norm? Diba usually they'll ask you to fill out something like your name and stuff. Parang ba't di mo na lang isulat na yung chief complaint mo and everything else para pagpasok mo, kumari, gets ko rin naman like let's respect the doctor's time as well and the other patient's time. And parang wouldn't that help to just at least mabasa na ng doctor agad like what's up? It kind of lessens the lalo na kung mabagal magsalita yung patient na
Gets.
di ko kasi sure. Tapos taruin ko on the spot na what's the problem here?
Parang better questionnaires sana.
Yeah, that would
Like,
help.
what are your main symptoms? Kailan mo nararamdaman? Anong kinain mo in the past 24 hours? See, dapat talaga naging doktor ako eh.
As a family naman pala of doctor.
Yeah.
Tama naman na parang some clinics actually do na may parang questionnaire na what's your family history, what meds are you taking, and for follow-up,
Yes.
ang ginagawa rin namin, iniipon na namin yung lab results para hindi na namin siya, magta-type-type ka pa, ganyan,
Yes.
susulat mo ganyan. Kasi,
Na-appreciate ko yung doctors who try to modernize their practice, in a way that
True.
makes it work for both them and their patients. Like,
Yeah.
I love it. I love it. Even dental clinics who do
Oo,
that,
no.
super love.
I'd like to clarify na lahat ng the doctors that we're gonna bitch about are not our current doctors.
Oh, yeah.
We currently love all our
At
doctors.
30 years old, we have found the sweet
Yes,
spot.
we found the sweet spot. Pero
Aww.
nakailang ano kami, like, we had one doctor, pet peeve rin, di ba,
Yeah,
yung, lalo na sa mga pedia, ha,
Grabe,
guys,
nakaka-
parang, yung weird talaga, parang, bakit
Wikipedia.
bakit ka nagpedia? Parang galit ka sa bata or something, I don't know, like, but I do understand,
You know why? Kasi sobrang in demand.
yun, parang mukhang parang ginawang milk tea, di ba, parang ginawang milk tea of medicine. Parang, maraming, sorry, I'm being,
Pera
maraming pera ata sa PJ. So we've experienced a lot of those milk tea pedia doctors na parang gotang milk tea business, ganyan, pedia ako.
Yeah.
Tas, pero hindi ako mahilig sa bata.
Like, I'm not gonna try to
I'm not gonna
gain their
flex
trust. I'm not
to
gonna,
the
as in, okay, ito na. Okay,
Oh,
injection.
hawakan mo.
Okay.
Bang.
Oh.
Parang,
Basically, yung mga
That's
no, in it for the money na doctors.
yeah,
You feel it
it's so
when,
traumatizing.
yeah.
Super. Actually, the one thing that stopped me from being a doctor was, sabi ng dad ko, sabi ko, I want to be a doctor. Tapos sabi niya, okay. Sabi niya, can you do it for 10 years, 20 years without earning, with earning this much? Doing it
That's
for
true
free.
though.
And then I said, no.
Alam mo,
So, sabi niya-
buti na lang in-advise ka ng
Oo
ganyan.
nga.
Kasi kung in-advise ako ng ganyan, parang,
Sana tinanong din ako.
oo nga eh.
Ang dami kong tanong rin sa inyo. I'll save it for our podcast.
Sige, go.
Pero
Ikaw
yun,
sabi,
pero agree
go
ako dun sa hindi nga marunong makinig. Kasi ano rin ako na parang hindi rin nakakaganang magkwento.
Yeah,
Kapag
yeah.
alam mo namang hindi siya interested, wala siyang pake, or parang, Doc, sinabi ko na kanina, parang, come on, listen naman tayo, pay attention. Kakabanggit ko lang kanina, ulit-ulit.
Pero grabe yung Candy Crush ha. Yan parang mali
Oo.
yun.
Akala ko naman parang nagsusearch siya
Oo.
ng gamot, ng
Oo.
dose, verify. Pero kung Candy Crush, parang walang medicine doon.
Kasi minsan,
Report ko yun eh. Sa
Nice.
Makati
The
Med.
tama,
Serve.
the serve.
Yeah.
Tama yan.
Kung ako yun, nagpa-Pokemon Go ako. teka lang, may kalaban ako.
Sandali lang ha, wait lang, dito mo, lalabas muna ulit siya.
Oh,
Binato kasi ako doon ng health card ko. Yeah.
Yun yung
Ayun,
mahirap
isa
pag
pang-
health card eh, no?
hindi mo rin,
Well, may choices ka, pero limited.
mm.
Like, kung gusto mo tong doctor na to, pero walang health card, hindi siya pwede.
Tsaka
And this
parang-
is the doctor that freaking
Kwento mo sa kanila.
putang ina. Sorry. Without any reason,
Kasi nag-Candy Crush siya.
pinabar yung
Enema.
enema ako.
Huh?
Explain,
Habang-
Barry.
Sorry. Yung,
Ay, habang These were not simultaneous.
Habang nag-Candy Crush.
habang ginagano niya ako, habang nagsuscope, nagka-Candy Crush rin siya.
Wait. So, I guess, can you explain what a barium enema is for?
LMA.
Huh? Bro,
Ayan.
parang hindi ko na alam yun.
Labatiba,
pero labatiba
basically.
siya.
Oo.
Oo.
Mm-mm. Yung ano
Kasi
yung...
nga,
Sige, go.
Go. Ako na lang. After ako. Sige. So, am I saying it right? Even enema?
They stick something up your ass.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's like a colonoscopy, but they put some
Like
fluids
chemical.
so that they
Yes,
so that
yes.
when they kind of do an X-ray of sorts, it's
It
gonna
lights
light
up.
up.
Yes.
And all of this, Jim underwent na hindi naman pala kailangan.
Ganito guys I was 24. I was a 24-year-old. My only complaint was, Psycho Doc, I'm a bit, I would like more regular bowel movement. Did not ask me about my diet. Did not ask me about my stress. I had no history of anything. And then he wrote me up an RX. Tapos dinala ko. And then, so I brought it to whatever. And then sinabi, okay, so schedule na yung barium. So, okay, whatever. Tapos the
What is
next,
that, like an injection?
God.
Fine.
okay, so at least malalaman na.
Mm.
And then, like parang, here, take this the night before, blah, blah, blah. Hindi man yung doctor nagsasabi sa akin ito yung kung sino man yung nagreseta ng whatever. Tas, so when I woke up in the morning, the night before, like when I looked at it, putang ina, suppository ba to?
That was the
I was living by
tip of the
myself.
iceberg.
I was
so to
like, yeah,
speak.
literally the tip of the iceberg.
Kala mo ayaw mo ng suppository, bukas meron pa.
Parang cut to again, that morning was like one of like the most uncomfortable mornings of my life kasi wala pa ha, hindi pa nagsa-start yung thing.
Mm.
So I was like in my bathroom, tas what the hell's going on? So pagdating ko dun sa bar, yung like 8 or 10 doctors, ang liwanag,
Oh my
and
God.
naka-night gown ako.
Wala
And
ka na spa music.
Walang spa music. Walang,
Kung gusto mo madilim, magpasok sila ng
Sa-
sunset.
I really do think
If
so.
no, kailangan bright, syempre kasi it's gonna be a...
Gets ko naman na bright, pero sana naman yung like, going bright yung puwet. Pag bright yung room.
flashlight na lang, ano.
Make me relax.
Yeah, because it's really gonna clench, huh?
Pero,
Sorry, okay, anyway.
Anyway, I want to move on.
ang weird na, well, I guess that's to summarize the pet peeve, doctors who generally just go straight to the labs na hindi ka yung
Exactly.
doesn't talk to you. Parang
Exactly.
Kasi nga hindi siya nakinig, kaya parang yun na lang yung
Yeah.
naisip niya
Oo.
para matapos na.
I see that a lot na parang a lot of doctors just resort to the lab test agad para yun na lang yung babasahin nila. Hindi na nila kakausapin.
Yes.
But I find that patients actually value kahit wala kang gawin or wala kang initially gawin pero kinausap ka, na-explain sa'yo ng tama. They
True.
appreciate that eh.
Yeah.
Minsan nga nagda-doubt ako na parang wala naman akong ginawa, pero kinausap ko lang siya, pero parang umokay naman siya.
Yeah.
Kasi naman mag-go through ka ng enema tapos
Oo.
wala
Yeah.
naman, di naman pala kailangan. Yeah.
Yeah, tapos ano pa yan, yung iba rin talagang agad like a shit ton of medicine na parang kaagad ano,
Mm-mm.
antibiotics kaagad, and it's just I don't know, I feel like can we talk about it some like can we like
Yeah.
look at my options
Yeah,
and
yeah.
tell me then like what are the side effects that I should
Mm.
look out for, kasi sometimes it's really like don't ask questions, just do this. And well, I don't know, speaking from experience, that's something that I really do not want to do anymore, is to just listen without asking questions. So if you are listening to this podcast and you are on the patient side and not the doctor side, I would urge you to please ask questions, because it's not wrong to ask questions, because some doctors, they do feel like they play like they're godlike, and that is not something that I would like to condone. So parang it's your right as a patient to ask as much questions. And kung mainis siya, wala akong pake.
That's a very big and common pet peeve. Yung mga doktor na feeling nila Diyos sila, na just follow this and wala, to susunod na. To be fair, alam nyo, actually, tinuturo to dapat sa med school. Pero,
Yes.
I
That's
guess
what we
it
wanna
is.
actually ask you
Yeah.
We'll
guys
ask you guys on
on our pod.
on our pod.
Yeah.
Ang dami kong questions about that, na parang, what is really that goes on in med school?
Pero
Bakit
ngayon,
kayo late? Wala bang time management class dyan?
Wala.
Ba yan?
Actually, wala. pero tama yun. Kasi nga, actually, yung framework or parang mindset dapat ay yung patient mo, ay partner mo in deciding what's best for them. Like, hindi siya parang,
Yeah.
para kang supervisor.
JP,
Yun.
gumaan yung loob ko doon.
Hindi,
Diba?
tsaka actually may ano pa nga yan eh, nag-roleplay pa kung paano dapat kausapin, may grading. Pero for some reason, I guess, isang bagay and common to a lot of those is we often forget, no?
Oo, no.
We forget how we were taught or we forget ano dapat kasi nga
At saka yung
Gets
parang pag med student ka, very ano ka pa, idealistic.
Yeah.
Gusto kong maging mabait sa pasyente, gusto kong magganyan, I want to change the world. Pero when reality of parang going on duties
Yeah.
hit you, wala na.
to be
So
fair,
actually, with that said, I do wanna defend nga doctors rin na, kahit si Bar yung Candy Crush, parang, baka nga, isn't it possible na it's really the two things? It's like government and lack of support for the hospital administrators and hospital management. Kasi understaffed will lead to people being disgruntled. Being disgruntled will not allow you to be empathetic and to be focused on your patients. Because you're just like, ayoko mayari. Tinatawag na ako, pinipage ako ng consultant ko. Shit. So, ikaw like, ano nga, mag-barium ka. Diba?
Yeah,
Ganun eh.
yeah.
I'm so stressed, magka-Candy Crush na lang ako.
Kaya I am very careful rin of like saying like it's the doctors. It's I would say that the one really at fault is government, lack of support,
Yeah.
and bad management.
Mm.
ang
That's it.
galing. Sila na rin nag-defend sa atin.
Salamat sa aming mga abogado. May point kasi 'di ba dati na
Tama
parang
naman, oo.
naging uso yung bashing of doctors on social media.
Yeah. Tsaka
May
yung
ganung
mga
era eh.
doctor shaming, yung
Ayan, doctor
doctor
shaming,
shaming era
oo,
yun. Kasi,
oo.
I get din na meron talagang mga bad doctors. But,
True.
like they said earlier nga, not everyone is like that. And I guess what leads people to be less attentive to patients, ayun nga, lack of time, lack of support, sweldo din, hindi naman kalakihan yung ibang nakikita sa clinic, 'di ba? Parang not all doctors swim in money, ganyan. So, mahirap i-put together all the reasons and we can't speak for all of them. Pero may iba doon talagang mali. Parang, ay, dito siya dapat
Yeah.
ganyan. Oh,
Yes.
nagbabash din kami, yung call room nga, kwentong call room yung ano namin. It's our break room of sorts. So,
Yeah.
in the break room, we also bash each other. Na, bakit siya
Yeah.
ganyan, yung batchmate ko, bakit ganito ginawa niya, ganyan. So, common
I
naman.
do watch a lot of Grey's Anatomy and parang iba yung nangyayari sa break room eh.
Ayun.
Ayun, ang totoong nangyayari dun, chismisan lang, ganyan.
Walang ano, pero atin lang.
Tayo lang na wala
mga-
na masyado
oo.
nakikinig eh.
Nakakatawa, tinanong din to ni Ali. When
May mga hookups, ganun.
No personal experience, but we've heard it happen.
Oo.
Oo.
Ooh,
I'm sure.
I'm
Ang
sure.
galing.
Okay, sa podcast na lang natin to.
People always ask that. Even Ali, when he was here, he also
Talaga
asked
yung,
that.
Ano,
Oo.
mga laking Grey's Anatomy
Yeah.
pala. Ano ba yung curiosity?
Hindi na naman nanonood ng Grey's Anatomy si Ari.
Hindi ba?
So baka mahilig lang talaga siya sa mga sex stories.
Hi, Ali.
Yun lang.
pero yun nga, parang we'd like to say na hindi naman lahat ganon, but still, for the patient side, may mga ganon.
Meron
And
talaga eh.
Oo, and
Hindi namin ma-deny eh.
gusto na namin
Yeah.
paumanhin, patawad
Yeah.
sa mga ganong doktor. And I guess the good news is some doctors are trying to be better at it.
Mhm.
And
Yeah.
may mga doktor naman talaga that I see that are doing their best to listen to the patient, to talk to the patient properly. And alam mo, na-realize ko ngayon, the patients don't ask much naman pala, no? I mean, they just want you to listen. Diba?
Mhm. Yeah.
And-
Yep.
And I'm glad you found doctors na sweet spot mo.
Oo nga, no?
Yeah, kasi
Yep.
at least they found the doctors for them. And sa mga doctors na nagki-candy crush habang nagbabarium enema, I hope you're in a better place. Sana hindi ka na ganyan.
Sana nakikinig siya sa podcast na to.
Oo. Tapos, ako yun ah.
Pwede, no?
Babawian ko siya. Papasukan ko rin siya.
Ng barium enema.
No,
I mean, you're not licensed. So,
Oh, yeah.
gantihan
Ano?
pala. Pero I'm sure marami pa and marami pang ma-share yung list. Mayroon pa ba kayong gusto ipahabol na pet peeve? Or ikaw, Besh? Baka may gusto ko ipahabol.
one last ko.
Yes, go.
One last lang is, from personal experience is, hindi ko lang type yung, yung press ko. Lalo na kung
Ako din.
medyo naka medical gown lang ako na parang,
Mm-mm.
especially I've had a couple of emergencies and then parang it's like not professional yung pakikitungo sa akin na parang I feel like, oh no, like, I feel so uncomfortable and it's not cool.
Oh, that's totally
Yeah.
wrong. Yan yung mga i-report talaga yan.
Yeah, like kung wari parang naka-night gown lang ako noon, parang bagong opera ako and may parang naki-selfie sa akin. Tapos
Ay.
parang, parang hindi siya, I know it's not very relatable, but like, I just wanted to say that na
Oo.
while I appreciate the hard work, I feel like sana pagpalabas na ako and magaling na ako, alam mo yun? Yun lang,
Grabe
parang,
naman yun.
Hindi
oo,
naman
parang
tataka
ano
si
lang.
Sab, di ba, sa ospital. Nandiyan lang naman siya, di ba? Maghintay-hintay tayo.
Ano lang siya, parang boundaries lang and I hope na the goal is to try to syempre to help solve whatever medical problem there is and also make sure that the patient is comfortable because that dictates as to if they will get well or not, diba? If they're not comfortable, that contributes to
Yes.
the bad stuff.
Yeah.
Ayun. So
Mm.
yun lang.
At saka-
Call out ko lang rin.
Tama
Oo,
yan.
tama. At saka as a patient, parang very vulnerable ka eh. Kasi you need something from them and at that point, kailangan mo sila. So sana wag abusuhin yung ganong dynamics, di ba?
Yeah, we always say that here that doctors are in a privileged position to see patients at their weakest. So
Yeah.
sana gamitin yung opportunity yun to care and to spread good, hindi
Yeah.
hindi yung tatamarin ka lang, i-take for granted mo lang. Ay, all doctors need reminding. Hindi rin kami perfecto ni JB. Nagsungit na rin ako sa pasyente at some point. Ikaw din mo pa ganyan.
Well,
Hoy, meron ka.
mali.
Hoy! Meron yan. But I guess yung lesson for all doctors, and I guess yun na lang siguro, kung may message kayo para sa mga doctors na who have wronged you,
May mga ganyang pet peeve.
yes, anong masasabi mo sa kanila and siguro sa patients din. Yeah.
Ako God bless you because you are not God.
Ang galing.
Paalala lang, oo. Basta Diyos ko na lang yan.
I think mine would be I think it would be just parang, hey, please remember that you're dealing with humans. So she parang they're step back and remember the humanity of this whole thing. What you're doing is incredibly honorable, but parang just remember that the human aspect is bigger than the science. Parang if that makes sense.
I agree.
Ang ganda.
At dahil dyan, third host na natin si Chim.
nga,
Dahil yun yung
ganda.
goal ng ating podcast.
Oo, to demystify and humanize. Invite
Ganda.
natin siya next time ulit. Okay, so thank you so much to both of you. I mean,
Thanks, guys.
we've been excited to have this episode for a while. And ang ganda ng mga perspective. Maraming makaka-relate, promise.
Thank you. Thanks, guys.
Thank you so much. And to our listeners, if you liked our podcast, please follow Kwentong Callroom Podcast on Spotify and Facebook and at Callroom Podcast on X and Instagram.
At dahil gusto rin naming marinig ang chika ninyo, meron na rin tayong Discord community. So it's called Callroom Tambayan. So sali na kayo sa Discord community for our live recordings.
Pero syempre, tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang pag-post ng episode question every Friday 9 p.m. Pwede makisagot through our social media pages.
At sa mga gusto mag-submit ng questions, concerns, at chief complaints,
pwede dyan.
open na open pa rin ang kwento mo sa Callroom. It's a Google form where you can submit your questions to us.
Kung mapili yung kwento mo, pwede namin yan sagutin in one of our future episodes here on Kwentong Callroom Podcast para sa pa-advice at words of wisdom namin.
So to submit, punta lang sa pin post sa aming X and FB pages where you can find our link.
Oh, I had fun bashing, no?
Oo, very you. Parang effortless.
Bitin pa nga eh. Anyway, thank you to our listeners. Thank you, Jemensa.
Thank
you for this
you.
episode.
Thanks, guys.
Bye.
With that, I'm Ella.
And I'm JB.
And this has been Kwentong Callroom.